Hello, gentlemen. I'm your host, Tony, and welcome to another enlightening episode of Unleashing Potential: Stories of Transformation. Our mission here is to guide and inspire you to tap into the wealth of potential within you. Each one of us holds the power to change, grow, and evolve into our best selves. This podcast is a platform for all men eager to set sail on this exciting journey of self-improvement. Have you ever found yourself in moments of self-doubt thinking, am I living up to my full potential? Could I be achieving more? Or is it too late to change my path? If yes, know that you're not alone. These moments of introspection are signs of readiness for growth. In this episode, we'll focus on the concept of potential, the untapped strength and talents within us. Often this potential lies dormant because we may be too comfortable, too fearful, or unaware of its existence. But imagine what could happen if we muster the courage to unleash this power. Think of it like a seed. It appears ordinary, insignificant even, but given the right conditions, sunlight, water, and care, it can grow into a strong, beautiful tree. Similarly, with the right mindset, courage, and perseverance, you can nurture your potential and transform your life. Replace the seed with your untapped abilities and the tree with your ultimate goals, personal or professional. The journey may not be smooth, it will have its share of trials and tribulations, but remember, the greater the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. This journey to self-improvement is not linear. You will have ups and downs, detours, and obstacles, but with every challenge comes an opportunity for growth. Each setback is a stepping stone to a stronger, better you. Over the course of this series, we will delve deeper into the idea of unleashing potential. For now, I want you to think about the seed within you. What untapped strengths and abilities are waiting to be nurtured? What are the sunlight and water you need to cultivate your potential? As we conclude for today, I want to thank you for stepping onto this transformative path with me. Remember, every step towards personal growth, no matter how small, is a step towards success. So keep striving, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next episode. You're tuning in to Unleashing Potential: Stories of Transformation with your host, Tony. Stay connected for more inspiring conversations on personal development.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name: Tony's Drain at tonysdrain.com.